Hi guys, my name is Hannah and today I want to show you how to draw fashion figure easy with simple shapes. I always start with a hat. I draw a simple oval and then a line for neck. Then I mark 3 lines for shoulders, for her waist and for hips. Then I draw 2 trapeziums and body of the model is almost ready. Then we should smooth out sharp corners and make these forms more similar to human's body. Sorry about my English, it's not my native language. Then I draw 2 lines for her legs, a circle on her knees placed, and then 2 lines but a little bit shorter than previous. And then we should draw 2 ovals above her knees and 2 at the bottom. Same thing I'm making with her arms. I'm just drawing 4 lines and a little lines for her hands. Then I'm starting creating a shape of her legs with the simple forms. We put everything together. The same thing I'm doing between the legs. Then I'm creating her shins and her ankles. My life hack in drawing this, it's make connecting joints with circles. Our body is almost done and I also have a great tutorial on my channel, you can watch it. Here I'm making her legs. Then I'm drawing her feet and it's also have trapezoid form. And I draw something like heels, it doesn't really matter. Let's go to her arms. I think no one has problem with drawing neck, but maybe with arms someone has. I'm drawing almost straight lines for her arms, but you can see a little bit muscles. And from elbow I'm drawing curved line. You can see it right now. To be honest, the more you practice, the more you get used to it. And finally, her hands. And our body is done. You can create any different bodies with these simple shapes. Here I'm adding to drawing some shadows and some little details. In this part of video, I'm just showing you how to draw bodies in different poses with these simple shapes too. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please press like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.